On our last day at the Switch It Up rally in Tucson, Tina and I decided to visit the beautiful Segura National Park's Visitor Center. We had a chance to chat with a friendly park ranger who shared some fascinating information about the giant cacti, including why and how these desert icons are carefully relocated when needed. It was the perfect way to wrap up our time in Tucson.
We don't know that much about the roots of saguaros. We do know that they tend to be shallow.
Right.
They go out a long way. And so we're trying to just excavate them, look how deep they are, how long they are. We think saguaros have these shallow roots so they can take up a lot of rain after during a storm. They don't tend to have much of a taproot. These saguaros are going to be moved anyway for the parking lot expansion, so it's kind of a great opportunity for us to understand what's going on underground.
Now, will they survive once you move them?
Yeah, they will. Yeah,
So
the younger they are, the better their chance of surviving. So this one like this should be fine too.
Okay. So this root system here, will you try to lay it out the same? So
Well, no, we will probably cut off those roots.
I see.
And then
Just
it will
put out new ones.
regrow new roots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, it's an interesting opportunity to learn more about this plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is our very first time out here.
Yeah.
So we've had a blast.
Yeah.
And this is beautiful. So, all right. Well, let's get back to work.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for
Yeah, thanks for
All righty.
Yeah.
See all these beautiful cacti? They're going to be moved to build a new parking lot, to expand the parking lot. And it's so sad because when you drive in to park, you see all this beauty. And they're going to be moved. There's actually people out here digging roots up, studying the root system. A little more understanding of when they move it, what it's going to be for them, the stress of it, or...
We'll bring it down and we'll fill in this end. Hello again.
Hi.
You missed us moving the cactus.
Oh, I did? Oh, man. Look, they've already dug one of them up. Where did you move it to?
Well, so we moved it to behind the building.
Oh,
so
yeah.
they can sit out for quite a while, and then we'll replant it after the construction project's done.
So how long can they survive outside the soil?
Literally months.
Months?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. They'll stop growing, and then when they get replanted, then they'll start slowly putting out new roots again. And once they kind of stabilize, they'll start to grow again.
Does it stress them out to move them?
I'm sure it stresses
Yeah.
out them a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, it's like most plants and animals, the younger ones can take it better than the older ones.
Right.
So the younger ones get the transplant pretty easily. Come all the way down here if you can. And then the older ones, the older and bigger they are, the lower the survival rate.
Well, I hate to see them being moved.
I know.
It's such a pretty, when you drive in, it's so pretty to see them.
Yeah, it is pretty.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you.
They're out there studying the roots of the cacti.
Okay, that is just totally cool. Tina's on her way over. Okay, so Tina finally joined me. Let me readjust this here. So Tina finally joined me on this little path, and I have one question.
Yes.
Look at that right there.
Yes. I see it.
Does that make you horny?
Oh my gosh.
Does that make you Randy, baby?
Stop it. It's a little prickly.
Oh, see? All right, good one.